To finish this project, we will be using Minwax fast drying polyurethane. This is a clear gloss oil-based polyurethane. To begin the finishing process, we need to flip our table back upside down, and much like we did with the stain, we're going to polyurethane the underside of the table first. Once we have applied one coat to the underside, we can flip our project. And apply a coat to our top surface. And with our first coat applied, we want to lower each leaf and get that top edge. After that, our project needs to sit for 24 hours. After sitting for 24 hours, our project is dry to the touch. However, it feels pretty rough. We will be using a worn out piece of 220 grit sandpaper or even 320 grit sandpaper and sand the entire surface of the project extremely lightly with virtually no pressure. This will remove the inconsistencies in the polyurethane finish, leaving us a nice smooth surface. And when finished sanding, we're going to flip our table upside down and proceed with our second coat of polyurethane. The second coat is going to go on just a little bit smoother since we already have one layer that has sealed the lumber. This also means that the second coat might drip or run just a little bit easier. So we're going to want to double check to make sure we don't have any drips and runs. After our second coat has dried for 24 hours, our project feels just a little bit rough still, but that surface is looking much better. We're going to again sand the entire project with a worn out piece of 220 grit sandpaper or even possibly a 320 grit sandpaper. We want to use extremely light pressure and sand the entire surface. Lastly, we can apply our third coat of polyurethane and let that third coat sit for an additional 24 hours.